Are you into vlogging or live podcast, live streaming with your games, or even home office setup? Well, you need to prepare a lot of things. Your light, you might also need a microphone, and of course you need to have a good microphone stand, something that would hold your monitor or your laptop whilst you're doing those things. Usually those things would cost a lot if you actually buy them separately. The product I'm going to introduce to you today is a game changer because it saves a lot of space and money. Let me tell you more about the 5-in-1 Selfie Desktop Live Stand. This is from Viozon. It's an all-in-one stand. It's adjustable with its height and angle. I really like how easy it is to set up. So what I did is just put in the clamp, and you can actually just put in the arms depending on which height you need. And the locks, I didn't even use any tools at all, so I just have to put it and install it. And next I've installed the microphone arm and put in the microphone, which is quite easy to install because they're using some universal mounts. And when it comes to its light, it's quite straightforward to install as well, and very easy for me to switch between the phone and also my mirrorless camera. Putting the laptop plate is also very quick and easy. Alright, let me tell you more about its features. It's very easy to customize for live streaming. You don't need to have a huge space. All you need to have is your desk, and it's very flexible. You can either mount your phone, your camera, or your webcam. It's much more compatible compared to most conventional live stand. Not only that, it comes with a 12 inches ring light. It also comes with a 34.4 inches microphone arm, and it's flexible. Either you put in your laptop because it has a stand for the laptop, or you can actually install your own monitor. It supports 17 to 32 inches monitor with a maximum capacity of 9 kilograms. And for the phones, it supports most of the phone sizes today because it has a clamp that you can actually put in a 3.5 inches phone to 6.7 inches. And above all that, if you have a much better camera, well, it is quite flexible because you can also mount your own mirrorless cameras or maybe your DSLR cameras. It can carry those cameras as well. And it doesn't stop there. Not only that it has those cool features, but also it has a USB and a Type-C port. This can be used to charge your mobile phones during live broadcast. It also comes with a magnetic Bluetooth remote control. So why is it Bluetooth? There's a button here that you can just press to shoot a photo or video remotely or without touching your camera. So you need to connect it via Bluetooth. But other than that, you can actually use it to on off the light, adjust the brightness, adjust the color temperature. You can just attach it on the setup stand, and it would charge as well. And next is we have the arm also for the laptop. Quite flexible. You can actually pull it towards you or actually pull it back. And there is a lock on the sides, so your laptop will be in place. So you can easily remove the laptop and put in a monitor there if that's your setup. And currently this is crowdfunded via Indiegogo, so you can check the link in the description below. You might be surprised how much the price is. It might change because of the discounts that they have. But by retail, the price is $109 US. So make sure you check that out, and hopefully you get to purchase it at a discounted price. Let me know what you think. You can leave a comment down below, and as always, I'll be here waiting for you. See you in the next video.